Welcome to Food Dialogues, dialogues with food and about food. Wondering what is this huge banana leaf in front of me with a variety of foods? Yes, today we are going to talk about the weight loss or the reducing diet. Weight loss, research shows that weight loss is easy in summer, and a recent Harvard University research showed that 20% weight loss occurs in summers. So now let us go on to the foods that we are going to consume on a reducing diet. Let's start with the breakfast. You can decide on your meal pattern, but I'm going to talk to you about the usual meal pattern of 3 a day with 2 fillers. So we're going to start with breakfast. Here I've made dalia or wheat rava upma. I've taken equal quantities of wheat rava and vegetables. You can use any kind of a vegetable that you prefer to. Here I've used carrots, peas and onions. So equal quantities of vegetable and the dalia. And the reason why I have used the wheat rava is because it is concentrated in fiber. The moment you consume about 200 grams of cooked dalia, you are going to be absolutely satisfied with your meal. You can down this with a thin buttermilk. I've made the buttermilk very flavorful with a green chili, coriander, a little bit of asafoetida and black salt. So this is going to form your breakfast. And next we go on to the major meal of the day, that is the lunch. So lunch over here is just a small cup, about 150 grams of cooked brown rice. It's always best that you go in for foods which have high amount of fiber, because when fiber gets into your body, it starts absorbing water. You're going to feel thirsty and you'll keep drinking more fluids, as a result of which satiety of the meal will be quicker. I'm going to have a vegetable kootu. It is something like a stew with a lot of dal and a watery vegetable which is known as the chow chow or the shayot. Then the cabbage, a cup, about 100 grams of boiled peanuts and a light rasam. So this is what is going to make our lunch. We can also have a small cup of curd to incorporate the dairy into our diet. You can formulate your dinner in a similar manner. If you want, you can substitute the rice with wheat chapatis. Have a soup in place of the rasam. You can have a dal and you can have a vegetable along with a curd or a raita. Now we definitely need fillers during the day, because between the breakfast and the lunch and dinner, hunger pangs will definitely peep in. And it is best that you don't ignore these hunger pangs, because if you do, then your next major meal, you will start binging and your weight loss diet will go for a sixer. So for these kind of fillers, it is best that we use sprouts, a sprout salad, or you can also go in for fruits. The kind of filler foods that you can go in for when you're in a weight loss diet are fruits, vegetable salads and nuts. When you look at the choice of fruits that I have displayed over here, I have taken fruits with lower quantities of sugar and carbohydrates. So you have the pomegranates, you have the grapes, you have the orange segments and the apple. If you have noticed, I have not included the banana. There's nothing wrong in eating a banana, but you will have to adjust it with the quantity of other foods that you have eaten during the day. So if you're missing your dinner, then you can go in for a banana and milk, which will give you enough energy to sustain through the day. Here I've showed you peppered cashew nuts, which is not only going to be tasty, but will also keep you going till your next meal. So reducing diet is not anything very different. Please follow your family diet, but make small modifications in the quantity and the kind of foods that you are going to prepare. Concentrate more on fiber-rich foods, water-rich foods like the shayot, watermelon, the oranges, pumpkins and so on. See that your food is filled with fiber, more moisture and less carbohydrates. So happy weight loss during summer. Enjoy your meal and stay healthy.